Hello viewers, this is Biplav welcoming you once again to 7 Boats YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about Facebook ad library. This video is basically made for the beginners who have not yet initiated in Facebook ads and they want to get some ideas about how to run Facebook ads. Without wasting much time, let me show you on screen how you can explore Facebook ad library to find out content ideas. So here we go. I've opened Facebook. Suppose you have a business of selling mobile accessories or maybe mobile covers. Now you want to run Facebook ads. If you do not have any idea what kind of content or what sort of format or what ad copies or captions you'll have to use, you can go to Facebook ad library. You can go there, type Facebook ad library and then click here. Now see, here in this tool, although this tool is not quite visible, Facebook has not publicized this tool quite heavily, so only a few people will know, the pro marketers will know. But let me show you the benefit of using this tool. Suppose I want to run this ad in India, because I can select the country from here. So this is India. I can select from here the ad category, so I'll select all ads from here, and suppose I want to run an ad on mobile accessories. Let me type mobile cover. So this is the keyword. You can see from here, this is the search keyword I have, so I'll just click on it. Alright, and I'm finding all ads. All ad means the ads are run in Facebook, in Instagram, in audience network, Facebook Messenger also. So you can see a lot of such ads and the companies who are running these ads. So you can see the ad copies here. You can see the primary text of the ad. You can see the ad copy, how they are doing the designs. Okay, you can see how others are running the ads. Okay, and you can also see where these ads are placed. So you can see the platforms where this ad is placed. Now suppose, say this one, you can see this is a video. It is like a video also. And below that you can see a shop now option. So you can click on this shop now option. Now it takes you to the landing page. So from here you can get an idea, like say where or how you can create the landing pages also, and see the landing page design and all. So you can see the marketing objective of this ad is to take traffic to the landing page where the business is selling the products. Now if you scroll through, you can see various other formats of the ads, and you can also find out, interestingly, the competitors of your business. So you can also check out their Facebook pages. Okay, and also from there you can find a lot more other information or type of content they're posting from their page. Thank you so much for today. I hope this video you will like and will comment and share this video further. Please do subscribe to our channel and come back for the next video. Thank you.